Hello, friends and mentors. Just tell me something honestly. How many of you feel a deep, subtle pressure inside whenever a new year finds out its way onto a calendars? The feeling of not being enough, or a mental checklist of resolutions, but rather a certain dissatisfaction that the time is ticking faster. We all feel the rush, don't we? And it is not a fault that these myths have been embedded in our minds that we must run fast to succeed in our lives. But as we are moving further and welcoming the new year 2026, I would like to raise a radical shift in this perspective. ये नया साल एक रेस नहीं एक डायरेक्शन है. The direction of becoming a better version of yourself. It's not just about how fast you move to achieve a milestone in a given timeline. Let me clear this with an example. Suppose, being a 10th grader, you have watched various motivational and inspirational videos on YouTube, so you decide that you will complete your syllabus within November and then practice dunya bhar ke questions before boards to have conceptual clarity. Now, the scenario is that you really love music and playing music, but due to the pressure of this timeline goal, you have to sideline all of your interest. And mind you, I am saying this because I have experienced the same in the past few months. We live in a world obsessed with speed. From same day delivery on Blinkit to 15-second motivational shots on YouTube, the society constantly tells us that time is the only thing you should ever value, and quick achievements are the only ones which you should ever make. But how dumb we are that we keep these messages in our mind. We often create a societal milestone that 22 तक graduate, 24 तक अच्छी salary वाली job और 30 से पहले शादी. My dear friends, this is what creates the illusion of race. We often start to see our lives as if it is a competition, and the result? Burnouts and heavy stress. We are moving really fast, but are we happy and fulfilled? Ask this to yourself, and mostly the answer would be no. हम अपने प्रेजेंट को सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं उस फ्यूचर लाइन के लिए जो शायद हमारे लिए बनी ही नहीं हो. The world has made a ready built path for you to walk on, which is full of conventions. But your direction must be your direction. Think of what truly matters for you. Different people have different aspirations. In 2026, stop asking what should I do and focus more on what do I really want in my life. एक बार आप अपने डायरेक्शन पे आ गए ना, then time becomes irrelevant. ये तो evident है कि small steps in the right direction are far better than rapid steps in the wrong one. A small step forward is a powerful thing. ज़रूरी नहीं है that every step we make has to be a grand gesture. It is about the deliberate incremental choices we make which shape us. And ये ही small consistent movements एक purposeful life बनाते हैं. सुना तो होगा ही that you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Yeah, Rome was not built in one day. तो अब इनका मतलब अपनी लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करना शुरू कर दो. It's high time. As I wrap up, I would like to challenge all of us to change our fundamental mindsets in 2026. Remember, your life is never a timed event, it is an unfolding story. So, choose direction over speed and meaning over rush. 2026 को वो साल बनाओ जहाँ पे तुम सोसाइटी की बनी हुई रेस नहीं अपना पाथ चलोगे. थैंक यू. दिस वॉज माई टाइम. मोमेंदी रत्ता.